Aerzen service technicians are specialized in restoring your machines to original factory standards. Your stage is sent to one of Aerzen's regional repair centers for overhaul. All worn components are replaced with OEM parts. Rotors and internal clearances are brought back to factory specification. This allows Aerzen to provide you with a warranty on the overhaul of your stage. Advantages of using an Aerzen Regional Service Center include quick turnaround. Most standard overhauls can be completed in 2 to 4 weeks. Variable cost savings. Repairs save time and money compared to a replacement stage. A detailed inspection report is provided for jobs requiring work beyond standard overhauls. Regional service centers carry an inventory of critical spare parts to reduce turnaround time. Aerzen offers an advanced exchange program for stages. We can exchange an overhauled stage from our inventory to replace your existing repairable stage. This allows the work to be completed during the same service visit. Advantages include limited downtime. Removal and replacement is done the same day on site. Reduced changeout cost. Rigging and personnel are only required for 1 day. Firm pricing. Quote includes final price and shipping cost lines. For maintenance and repair solutions, contact Aerzen. Aerzen. Expect performance.